2022 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, auto climate control. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!